in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a medium road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Nadula. So this is my first time ever working with Nadula, so I was pretty excited when they reached out. They were so kind and they sent over their reddish brown 4C kinky straight 13x4 lace front wig with dark roots. This is how the unit is looking online, and then this is how the unit is looking in person. As you can see, it definitely has those reddish brownish tones in it. I did go in off camera, or no, actually I think I recorded a little bit of it, of me curling this unit, but it did come right out of the package looking just like this. What I did do off camera was bleach the knots, shampoo, condition, and then I let the unit air dry overnight. This unit did come with the knots pre-bleached, but I felt like the knots were still a little bit on the bigger side, so that's why I went in and bleached the knots again. The cap construction of this unit is your standard cap construction with 3 combs in total. 1 in the back, the other 2 are in the front on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band that can be removed and or adjusted if you choose to do so. As stated in the title of the name of this unit, this is a 13x4 frontal unit, so therefore you are getting 13 inches going straight across and then 4 inches going straight back. Now I would consider this a compact 13x4 just because the 4 inches isn't really on the sides of the unit, it's more so just in the center of the unit. The lengths offered for this unit are 14 all the way down to 24 inches. I received the 24 inch. As for the density, they do offer both 150 and 180% density. I'm not really sure which one I received. I'm gonna assume 150, but of course all of the information for this exact unit will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Now even though this is a kinky straight unit, I did decide to go in and add some curls to this unit because there's a particular style that I really want to try with this unit. But y'all just look at these curls. Like, I curled this unit yesterday afternoon and the curls are still holding on really good, so yeah. But enough of me talking about the unit. Let's go ahead and install her, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts.
Don't play with a dog. Don't play with a dog. Don't play with a dog. Be dishonest. Still not understanding his logic. Be dishonest. Still not understanding his logic. Back in a better. Want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Somebody's on that stuff. Ain't never for let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're better. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fought you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. That man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Something is your love that holds me together. Maybe you say you've been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is staring, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shout it, he's heard what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Light us up on that precision. Don't play with a dog. Don't play with a dog. Don't play with a dog. Be dishonest. Still not understanding his logic. Be dishonest. Still not understanding his logic. Back in a better. Want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever.
So let's go ahead ahead and talk about this unit from Nadula. Typically, I like to either start with my cons or either at least list some type of cons that I have for a unit, but in all honesty, I have none regarding this one. I love me a good kinky straight unit, and the fact that this one has those reddish, brownish highlights or streaks, whichever one you want to call it, just kicked it up a notch for me. The hair on this unit is extremely soft, very easy to manage. Now, I do wonder how it's gonna react whenever I go to like comb out where I tease the hair, but I feel like as long as I work from bottom to top, ends to root, I should be fine. The lace on this unit was very thin, which of course helps with the blending or melting process of the unit. Usually I like to go in on the inside of the cap and put either foundation, whether it's liquid or powder on it, or either some type of lace tint spray, but with this unit I didn't do that at all. Instead, I just waited to the end and kind of used the remainder of what was on my foundation brush and just kind of brushed that over the edges of the unit, and I feel like it's blending pretty well. Now, where the parting is, it is kind of giving off a reddish orangish type of tint, but of course that's where I low-key over bleach the knots, but at the same time I'm okay with it. I used to have a certain powder that I would use, and I would just, it's not a special powder, the powder was just like a little bit lighter than my complexion, and I would use that to go in, but I guess I threw that powder away, so I didn't do it with this unit. But at the same time, I'm kind of okay with it. As long as someone keeps their distance, they won't be able to tell that it's lace. But of course, if you're right up on me, obviously you're going to be able to tell it's lace. Lace is a fabric, so it's very much so obvious. But far away, it's definitely giving scalp. The density of this unit is very nice. It's not too thin and it's obviously not too thick. I do feel like I could possibly wear the unit all year round and not feel like overheated in it. Again, for this unit to be a kinky straight unit, I'm very impressed with the way that it's holding on to the curls. I mean, at this point, the curls have been in for now 24 hours or a little bit over 24 hours. I'm looking at the time right now, and yeah, they're still holding on very well, especially thinking about the manipulation that I did with trying to finesse these like little bunny buns on top. The curls are still holding on very well. To me, kinky straight units are the way to go, just because in my opinion, I feel like you get more bang for your buck. I mean, think about it. You can wear them straight and know that they're gonna look good. Now, whether that's straight and just blown out in its natural state, which means like big and poofy, if you will, or if you choose to use a flat iron and straighten it to make it look like a silk press, if you will, or you can even curl it like this and know that the curls are gonna last. Like, you can't do that with no silky straight unit. Kinky straight units also just mimic my personal hair texture just a little bit more, especially if it's like blown out or straightened. I don't know, it's just like, who doesn't want to possibly have that encounter to where it's like, hey, what did you use, or how did you get your hair to grow that long? Like, girl, it's a wig. You know it's a wig, I know it's a wig, but it still look good. You know what I mean? It still look like it's mine. Yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. All of the information for this unit will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @Dotson. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.